you think this was gonna go down? Huh? Whatever it takes, you remember that? You wanted results, and you can't get them sitting behind a desk, nose in a rulebook, with a stick up your ass.
See you again soon. Bye-bye.
Hey man, I'm stuck in traffic. I'll get there as soon as possible.
Don't worry, there's still time.
Don't start without me.
A man who never eats pork buns is
Wei, 我個老友 I'm so happy you can make it.
Congratulations. Peggy, you look stunning.
Thanks, Wei.
You both must be very happy.
Yes.
The best day of your life. So they say. You know what? They're right.
If you say so.
Oh, Uncle Paul, welcome.
Congratulations.
My guest of honor.
I'm happy to be here. It's nice to see someone who wants to be a good family man.
Not enough of that nowadays.
Hi.
You look absolutely lovely, my dear.
Thank you.
Almost as lovely as your mother-in-law. Oh, and Mrs. Chu, I expect the food to be...
Wait.
fantastic.
I got a case of the chairman's favorite wine in my car. I forgot to bring it in. Do you mind grabbing it and making sure they know it's for him? I'm gonna make sure he gets inside, okay?
Yeah, sure thing, Winston. You gotta enjoy your day, okay? Where you parked?
Right through there. I'm going. Just bring it into the kitchen.
Shit! Fuck! Jackie, you there?
Holy shit, did you see that? There's no way we're getting in through here.
I'll find a way inside.
I'll go get help.
Stay down, bitch!
哇，一定好痛喎！
我做你屎忽！嗱，頭殼我就放過你啦。搞死佢啊！呢啲地方嘢嚟睇下。
Winston! Shit. Oh God. Peggy.
Wait. Get Peggy out of here. She doesn't deserve this.
Winston! Fuck. Shit. Peggy.
The boys! I need them here now! 出嚟！你個大撚爆佢哋啊！你死撚爛啊！你死撚爛啊！打你做咩啊？做佢啊！打翻隻狗啦！我話你打！幫你啊！打翻隻狗啦！有佢老母！你個大撚爆佢哋啊！你死佢啊！打翻隻狗啦！打翻隻狗！哇！點啊點啊！
Uncle Po! Are you okay? Can you walk?
What's going on? What happened to Winston?
Okay, come on. We gotta get you out of here. Uncle Po! You're hurt.
It's nothing but a little scratch.
You look sorta... We gotta get you to a hospital.
Whoever did this I'm all right. Must pay. A wedding is a sacred thing.
Go, man!
My uncle! He's hurt! We need a doctor! Now!
What is this? What's going on here?
My boy, maybe you'll want to leave before our friends, the police, show up.
Are you gonna take care of my uncle? And if anything happens to him, I'm holding
Hello,
you
police?
personally responsible.
Oh, thank God.
Be clear.
Okay, okay.
Where have you been?
Stuck in traffic. It's Hong Kong.
Fuck, Raymond. You think showing up for these things is easy for me?
I know you've been through a lot, Wei. More than we have any right to ask. Now the wedding.
It was a massacre, Raymond. A massacre. Winston was a red pole, sure, but his wife, they fucking gunned down his wife on her wedding day.
We knew you would become personally attached, Wei. It's inevitable in an operation like this. And seeing something like that would be hard. Hard for anyone.
It's war now.
No, it's not. You're a cop, all right? Your job is to enforce the law. You can't remember that? I'll pull you out right now.
Pull me out.
Your job was to get close to Winston. Now, that's not much of a strategy anymore.
Get close to... Open your eyes, Raymond. I am Winston now. With him gone, I'll be taking his place. You want the chairman? I report to him now. You want the Red Poles? I'm one of them.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them.
You want to give up the best undercover HKPD has ever had? Your best shot taking down the Sun On Yi? Exactly. We done?
Yeah, we're done.